Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Something big is on the horizon at DJI, and it's not just a minor tweak. Today we're diving into the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro, which seems poised to deliver a transformational upgrade. This appears to be the next major move in the world of ultralight drones. Recent rumors and insider teasers hint that DJI's 2025 release may very well redefine the category, with unmatched agility, intelligence, and aerial imaging capability. A sneak peek shared by filmmaker Mauro Tandoi labeled DJI Mini 5 Pro Work in Progress offers our first glimpses. Although brief, the footage suggests DJI's most advanced Sub-250G drone to date. With what appears to be a fresh frame design, re-engineered internals, and pro-grade components, experts say we may be watching the arrival of a true lightweight drone revolution. Unlike prior updates, this could be a complete generational leap. The teaser shows a mountain bike beside the drone, setting the tone for adventure, mobility, and high-end aerial creativity. It's folding, nimble, vented, aerodynamic, and fully aligned with DJI's iconic portable drone ethos. Early reports from drone analysts indicate the DJI Mini 5 Pro launch is scheduled for August 7, 2025, about a month earlier than many expected. That drop date aligns with heightened buzz around major new drone release cycles this year. One of the most significant revelations, a leaked FCC certification shows a new battery rated at 4,680 mAh and 33.5 Wh, considerably larger than Mini 3 or Mini 4 Pro batteries. That suggests flight endurance of up to 50 to 55 minutes, depending on conditions, making the Mini 5 Pro a flight endurance benchmark among Sub-250G platforms. Since this battery spec comes from official regulatory paperwork, the credibility is strong. It's not speculation, it's official. On the imaging front, rumors strongly suggest a 1-inch CMOS sensor, the largest ever packed into a Sub-250G drone. That promises game-changing low-light performance, expanded dynamic range, and sharp ultra-clear imaging. In the teaser, the gimbal appears larger and more exposed than prior models, with missing side gimbal covers, hinting at 360-degree style rotational capability. Similar to DJI's Mavic 4 or Osmo Pocket, this full rotation gimbal would unlock powerful cinematic possibilities, sweeping vistas, dynamic reveals, and creative pans without repositioning the drone body. Sensor enhancement extends to obstacle sensing. New front-facing LR sensor reportedly expands DJI's 3D infrared obstacle avoidance system to detect objects up to 25 MOA with a 60 degrees field of view, optimized for low-light use. The drone's body shows bulges around sensors, likely housing upgraded detection hardware, without sacrificing gimbal mobility. DJI's internal hardware upgrades include new high-performance ventilated motors, likely the first in the Mini lineup, with integrated cooling for better wind resistance, improved efficiency, and perhaps even modest payload support. A welcome practical update: quick-release propellers, ditching fiddly screw-based installations. That's a workflow improvement for users in the field. DJI is reportedly adding 32 GB onboard storage, ideal for capturing content even if you forget the memory card, something many users can appreciate. Also returning is the robust O4 transmission system, covering up to 20 km range, with support for RC2, RCN3 smart controllers, DJI Motion Controller, and even DJI Goggles 3 for immersive FPV experiences. Additional features include voice-activated flight commands, a dedicated flight mode button for triggering cinematic presets, and smart UI interactions, ensuring the drone flies both smart and stylish. Let's talk pricing. The base package, Mini 5 Pro with the RCN2 controller and 1 battery, is expected around US $850. The Fly More combo, including RC2 controller, extra batteries, accessories, will likely retail near US $1,200. That price positioning slots it between the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3S lineup, making it appealing for both serious enthusiasts and semi-professional filmmakers alike. If DJI delivers on all these frontiers, Sub-250G weight, 50+ minute flight time, a 1-inch sensor, 360 degrees gimbal rotation, advanced sensing, and sleek compact design, the Mini 5 Pro could easily become the most capable ultralight drone ever released. So, what kind of creative filming scenarios are you imagining? Mountain wave-throughs, beach with cinematic reveal, vertical flips for skyline transitions? Drop your ideas in the comments. I'd love to read how you'd put those new features to work. And if you're hyped for the Mini 5 Pro, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. There's more coverage coming as we approach the August launch. Let's recap what makes the Mini 5 Pro so compelling. New aerodynamic fold-frame design for ultra-portability, upgraded internals and vented motors delivering better efficiency, massive 4,680 mAh battery for up to 55-minute flight time, 1-inch camera sensor, enabling superior image quality and dynamic range potential, 360 degrees gimbal rotation for cinematic flexibility, enhanced 3D infrared sensors, optimized for low-light obstacle avoidance, quick release propellers for faster setup, 32 GB onboard storage for backup, capture 04 transmission with 20 km range and full compatibility with DJI's motion control accessories, voice control, presets and dedicated flight mode button for smarter flight, aggressive mid-tier pricing with base units and fly more combo options as the big specs settle, like the 1-inch sensor, extended battery capacity, smart sensing, and full 360 degrees gimbal. DJI appears poised to slot the Mini 5 Pro as a new ultralight powerhouse. I'd love to hear, which creative feature are you most excited for? Low-light shooting, ultra-long flight time, smooth 360 degrees rotations, or immersive FPV control with goggles 3? Let me know in the comments, and stay tuned for detailed hands-on impressions as soon as the drone hits the market. And thank you for watching. Techno Trend Zone will keep you updated with the latest drone news.